Well, hello again, friends. So this is a custom Lego set I made. Its theme is custom Lego set. Theme is fight scenes. It's basically a animation stuff. So you've got a couple of people. Well, most of them with weapons. I'll show you the minifigures. This is camera crew female. Zombie actor 1, or just zombie actor. Northern actor 1. Northern actor 2. Northern actor. No, not Northern actor. Jungle actor 1. Jungle actor, in fact. Right stuck to butt. And sound guy Carl. This is where he only gets a name. Because he's cool and he's Carl. There are some cool features like motorcycle. You can hang characters off the side of this lighting. You can put them up against the wall. There's a large area characters fight. There's also an area so his sword. A piece that she just broke off. Well, this is lighting. It's used to turn. So the reason why I use these pieces is because they look like support beams what you usually find. Now, what it takes place in is backstage stuff. So they're like practicing the fights, really. So there's just random things to represent like props. Oh, this will actually shoot. So we have a minifigure here. Let's take this guy for example. Zombie reactor. Just shoot him. For animation, make it just fall. And shoot that bit of lighting. The other lighting feature is literally just hanging it off. And same thing with this guy's gun. And fire. It fires this by the way. It fires well. Also, so a quick little 50 second long stop motion was made with this. So, quick example when it isn't a shot was like having figured out a way to make my things into shots. Well, this is what it looks like at different angles. So and it's called a theatre fight, and it's made it's to help animation, more specifically fight scenes. What I use and what I recommend for stop motion is Stop Motion Studio, by the way. That's what all my animations are on. There's areas there's tons of exposed things. The characters can have a nice area to walk on. If you want to do like a good old-fashioned standoff, you can. Just put the two guys you're gonna make up a standoff. Do a thing, you know, like the classic cowboy thing, really, or surfing, where they like turn their backs facing each other with walk away, and kind of freeway turn around and shoot the opponent. Right. Also, by the way, this is like some sort of weird example of pop with a hidden sword in it. Going to go for your stop motions, that's the time point. So basically, what goes, it goes here, and you follow them basically. So it's like right when you're animating, it just looks like some grass. But it's secretly the sword. A green katana. Well, let's make it look like we're animating it. Or not animating. Filming. What's action going on? This guy's rushing to go on stage. Let me first. And jungle the one down here. No. Actor 2 over here, so we're about to have a fight with some guy Carl. There he is. Let's sit him down. And put him up here on his pile of white props. And then he's going to sit there blowing his epic sound. With fight music. Bye.